guys, how are you? I wanted to come on and do a quick video about Etsy SEO. So a lot of videos, they talk and tell you about SEO, and they're great, but I just wanted to actually show you some SEO and how I use Etsy's toolbar. I have made over $25,000 in about 16 months on Etsy. And I basically used a combination of things. I used Etsy's toolbar for sure, and I also used eRank. So I'll talk about eRank in another video, but I want to show you how I used Etsy's toolbar, and I continue to use Etsy's toolbar. So we're on Etsy.com, and I typed in t-shirts. And if you look here, the results for Etsy's t-shirts are 5 million, almost 6 million. And this obviously is with ads, but still there are over 6 million results. So that's far too many to compete for. So you want to niche down. So what type of t-shirts are you selling, or what type of t-shirts do you want to sell? What type of anything do you want to sell? So it's not just about t-shirts. This video is about anything that you sell. You just want to make sure that you niche down into your specific group or topic, okay? So we don't want to just sell t-shirts. We want to be more specific. So that's what a niche is, obviously. You just want to be a little more specific. So when you type in t-shirts, Etsy already gives you these ideas: t-shirts for women, t-shirts men, and on and on. T-shirt designs. We wouldn't want t-shirt designs really, because that's probably more of the files that actually go onto the t-shirts. So if you're looking to buy files to print onto your t-shirts, you might choose there. So let's type in, we don't want t-shirt. Let's go to t-shirts for women. And if we hit search, it's still a lot. It's 4 million, almost 5 million. Okay. So let's type in t-shirts for, well, here, Etsy has given us some predefined results. T-shirts for women funny. Let's click on that. Okay, it's getting less, 1 million. Still a lot to compete with. So let's see if we can find something else. T-shirts for women funny. So if we did want to sell funny women's t-shirts, maybe we want to do plus size t-shirts. Okay, so 17,000, okay? It's a much better number to compete with. So as you scroll down, this is how you use the toolbar. When you scroll down, you look to see, does this keyword have results or reviews? So you see this first one here. This is an ad. This is an ad. We're going to skip the ads. Okay, this is organically here. It's not an ad, but they have over 4 million. The number in parentheses is the reviews, not the sales. Sales is probably 3 times more than the reviews. So 3, maybe even 4. So here, this shop, Epic Life Design, they have over 4,000 reviews. Then the next one over here, Strong Confident You, they have over 25,000 reviews. So let's keep going down. Okay, and we see some different names here. So this is doing pretty well. When I say this, I mean this keyword, because all of these listings have that keyword in it. Okay, because that's how it came up. Somewhere either in their titles or tags that it came up. Right now, Etsy does not use the description for search purposes. And we'll talk about that in another video. But what you're concerned about are titles and tags. And you see here, this one says only one available, and it's in 19 people's carts. So this is a pretty popular one. So if you see something like this, you want to check that out, okay? But as we keep going down, you see these people are doing a lot of sales. So this is good. I don't know why this is here, but it might just have t-shirt or something in the tag somewhere. But keep going down. Here's another one, only one available, but lots of reviews. And what you also want to look for is make sure that they're different shops. You don't want the same shop over and over. Okay, you see Epic Life Design. This is 3 here, right, on one row. But that's okay because as we go further, we do see other shops on here. Okay, so this is a pretty good work. So let's click on one. Let's go back up to the one that's I think it was like 25,000 reviews, this one. So let's click on this. And it wasn't an ad, so we're not costing anybody anything. So this is Strong Confident You. This particular t-shirt, here are the keywords. So we got funny right here. And we have t-shirt. And we have plus size. So all of our keywords are there. So let's click on the shop itself. Nice, simple title. Okay, so they've had over 181,000 sales. And how long have they been on? Sometimes Etsy will tell you how long a shop has been on, but it does not list it here. So if Etsy doesn't tell you how long a shop has been on, an easy way to find out is when you go to their reviews, here are the reviews, you click on the last page and you'll see the first date that someone left a review, and it was in 2012. So they've been on here since 2012. This is not something that you can alter. So that's how you know you can trust this. So she's been on since 2012. So that's what, 9 years, it's 2021. And in 9 years, she's made 181,000 sales. So that's over 20,000 sales a year. So that is not bad at all. And she's got an average of 5 stars for a rating. So that's really, really good. Her t-shirts are really cheap. So maybe she does them herself. It might not be a print on demand. So let's go to another one, because if we're doing print on demand, we want to compare to a print on demand shop. So let's look for some that costs a little more. This one and this one, they cost a little more, so they might be print on demand. So let's click on this one that's $25 from Meet the Perrys. Okay, plus size, here's one of our keywords. Here is a t-shirt and plus size again. This is also custom, okay? So let's see what her options are. So you can choose different colors. Heather does deep heather. She's probably using Printful, because Printful offers a lot of different colors like that. And then she's got the different sizes. Okay, so this is nice. So you would type your custom request in here. So, but it's a nice shop. She's got 2,842 sales. Okay, not bad. Let's see how long she's been on. We can click on the reviews. Oh, we're on the reviews. Go to the last page. First review was in 2021. Wow. So she's only been on here since 2021, and she's got that many sales. This is great. This is really great. Okay, so let's go to another one. I'm using Zoom to record this, so this thing is in my way. Okay. Here's another one. Let's click on Wildflower Shop, Wildflower Tea Shop. Here's our keyword, women's, plus size. We got t-shirt in here. They also use tea, which is really good. So you can, hey, there's no law in saying that you can't use keywords that other people have used, but you want to be creative. You don't want to copy somebody's, um, keywords just as they are. This is just for you to kind of have a barometer of some keywords that you can possibly use. So she's got 11,399 sales. And if we click on the reviews and we go all the way down, last page is, and again, you only have to do this if Etsy doesn't tell you how long they've been on. So I noticed sometimes Etsy will tell you how long the shop has been on, and other times they don't. So let's click on the last page. She's only been on since June of 2021. This seems really odd, or at least that's when she got her first review. Wow, that's odd. So, oh no, I'm sorry. Hmm. This is the last page, but it says June on here. Then when you click on page 25, so it goes backwards, which is odd. Usually on the last page, you'll see the first or the oldest review. So that's odd. Let's click on page 1. Hmm. Well, anyway, looks like she hasn't been on very long. And her t-shirts, nice price, $21.95. You select your option. So anyway, this is basically just a quick little video to give you an idea of how you can use Etsy's search bar. You may not want to spend a lot of money on different tools that can help you, like eRank or Laura or Marmalade. And I'm not advocating for any of those. I don't make any money from any of those. I'm just throwing those out there for you. We'll talk about those in another video. But again, this is just a really quick way of how to use Etsy's toolbar. Yeah, so anyway, just wanted to come on and give you a quick little rundown of how you can use Etsy's toolbar to find out what you need or what keywords you might want to use. So the other thing you want to do, once you kind of decide what you want to do, let's say you want to sell all plus size t-shirts for women and they're funny. So when you find a shop or a few shops that you admire and like what they're doing, click on those shops and see what kind of keywords they're using in addition to what you decided. So let's say you want to use funny graphic tee. So let's check that out and see where that puts us. Okay, funny graphic tee. There's a lot of results, 367,000, almost 368. So you want to niche down in that as well. So let's say funny graphic tees for women. $339, still a lot. So plus size. And again, this keyword is a little different than this one. We were using plus size t-shirts for women, funny. Here we're using plus size funny graphic tees for women. So let's click on that and see. Okay, it's only 8,000 some results. So that is a much better number. So we use the same process. Let's scroll down. This is an ad. These are all ads on the top, so we're going to ignore those. Let's go to the next ones. 25,000 reviews, 4,000, 163, almost 1,800. That's the same shop. 2,000. This is our shop here, Strong Confident You. Simply Bella, Wildflowers Tea. I think we clicked on them. These are ads right here. Yeah, so as you can see, that looks like a pretty good keyword. So that might be another keyword that you want to use. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. And I'm just on the first page. So even let's hop to the 5th page. Nobody really goes to the 5th page. I just want to see if these reviews hold up, the number of reviews. Yeah, they do. So we're all the way on page 5 and still you're getting, good reviews. And these are different shops. Just Hook Fishing, Sassy Ash Boutique, that's cute. Making Najan, I don't know what that says. McKenna John, whatever. But lots of reviews here, 3,000 some. Yep. So this is probably a pretty good keyword, and there are only 8,213 results. So this is a keyword that you want to use. So plus size t-shirts for women, funny, again, only 17,000 some results. So you want to copy this keyword, then right click, copy it, and then paste it into a Word document. Or if you don't have Word, you can use, I think Windows has a notes feature, wherever you want, some kind of PDF document or something like that, but, or write them down. So that's how you want to do that. So I hope I've helped you some with how to use the Etsy keyword. And remember, you can go even further. So you went from plus size t-shirts for women funny to plus size funny graphics t-shirts for women. So you might want to try something else, plus size. And again, you can click on any of these listings that are doing well and see what keywords they're using, and then pop that keyword into the Etsy search bar, see what it's doing, follow the same process, make sure the main thing is that you want to make sure that the results are not too high, right? So I would say if you're just starting out, anything under like 20,000, maybe 30, but you definitely don't want to go over 50,000. And if you can keep it low, like 8,000 or 5,000 or something like that, then you probably have a gold mine. So in the next video, we'll talk about using some keyword tools. And it's, it's a lot of different ways to do this, but I just wanted to give you the basics for the Etsy toolbar. So hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some value from it. If you did get some value from it, please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.